Ami in a shop. Like that is so cool. Amazing. Is that 2 of cups? And oh my goodness, Haruka Michiru. That is amazing. So wow. Okay, hold on. Sorry guys. Looks like we're in. I love that I could immediately know that we were in wands just by the warmth of the color palette. That was really cool. I have not looked through this deck on my own at all, so now we're in our major arcana. Hold on, I'll go all the way to the back because I want to feel the colors of our other. Okay, yeah, so we got our pentacles. Oh, so green. I love it. Oh my goodness. And we have our, I love that, our traditional Rider-Waite color system of yellow as air. Cool, cool, cool. You did your homework, gals. You did your homework.